Hi guys, welcome to episode 1 of Cooking with Seb and Henry. On today's episode we're going to be making some margarita pizzas. We're just going to stretch the dough out into a nice kind of circle shape. Well, as circle as possible, it doesn't matter. We do not body shame on this channel. Stretch it out. We're not very professional pizza makers.
Yes we are, We've been doing this for
12 years.
6 years now? No, 12 years now?
12 years now.
Time flies, dude.
Time certainly does fly, so
do.
we're just going to whack it on.
What we're doing, guys, is we're putting it on the circle now. The magic circle, dude.
Get an top down.
Top down angle, dude.
Just like this. Then what you want to do is you want to put your sauce on. Like so. So you want to get about a spatula and then you just do this. Just circle it around.
Oh my god. How much is it?
Just like so.
Remember the crust?
Well,
The girls get the crust somewhere, boy.
we also are joined by Ruth. She's another celebrity guest.
Yeah, celebrity because she never fucking shows up.
And we're going to get some cheese. Just I'm going to open this one.
Just like you.
This is
These are such bad scissors. Nice and cheesy. Also greasy.
what smells lovely.
We're just gonna.
Guys, I got my nails done, but they're like really growing out now. It's got one nub going. Where is it? Kyle?
So, whilst I put the oven mitts on again,
Seb, have you got my thing?
oh, you're in for a real treat here, guys.
Oh, it's right here. Fuck's
The way Seb puts
you
the
had it?
pepperoni in, it really adds flavour. Oh, what a lovely little end. Seb, could you open the oven for me, Seb? You don't have to put it in, open the oven.
I'm boring, you don't want to film mine.
Welcome to episode 2
Seb and Henry Cooking Show.
of Henry Cooking Show. Today we've got
Celebrity guest Ruth. Ruth,
she's mute.
Now part of the show is asking our guests why they're on. So Ruth, why are you on the show today?
Because Henry can't make my pizza.
That is exactly correct. Now, tell us, what are you putting on this wonderful pizza?
Tomatoes,
Tomatoes?
satay, cheese, and natural tomatoes.
All very good options.
Delicious. The fine texture. It looks like a bit of a weird love heart.
I just do a little sprinkle. Well, that's majority wheat. So sexy, almost evil. Talking about
Henry, they tomatoes.
Yeah, but it's just a red one. Look at that, that's lovely that. Let's check on the other pizza, guys. Open that. Oh my god, look at that bubble. You know that's good when it's bubble. Isn't that good? Alright, thank you for watching episode 2, guys.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Bit of a short one. Bit of a short one
till
today.
next time. Tune in next time.
Tune in once oh, what are we making more?
Yeah, of course we are.
Oh shit, we're go. Bye guys. from the reflection. Welcome to episode 3.
No, not episode 3 yet.
Oh.
Cut.
Oh! Oh! What's going on? Hang on. Mate, hold on.
Oh!
Oh my god. Wait, what else can you do? Wait,
Oh.
beach jump.
Well, sneaky beat change.
You got a back then, you said.
Beach change. Yeah.
Oh!
Wait.
Oh!
Hi guys, welcome back to Seb and Henry Cooking Show, episode 3.
Episode 3.
Episode 2.
Oh, episode 2? Oh yeah. No, 3.
Episode 3. We are taking out the episode 1 pizza for today. So hopefully get a couple laughs, a couple moves. We are going to be joined by a celebrity guest soon. That will be shortly after we take the pizza out. You ready for the reveal? Ah! Now we're just going to use a spatula to get this off. Looks pretty good. Still list to go. We're just going to, I guess, whack it on board. Taste test. Right, set it up there. We're going to taste test together. Come on.
Okay. Right.
Okay, this taste.
Taste test. Oh, bit of a slimy one.
Bit of pepperoni on it.
Oh, this is going to be fucking boiling.
It's
This
fine.
is good.
Cheers. No!
Can I try some?
Marvellous. Come on and do the taste test in front of the camera, guys.
Which slice am I going for?
Whatever.
I want this one right here.
Molly, what are your thoughts?
I like it's very good. It's very good. I'm really enjoying it. It's a bit hot though, so I haven't tried it fully yet.
Yeah, my taste buds are kind of burnt off.
Come on, Ruth.
I'm making Molly's now.
No, you're making yours. The celebrity guest.
I do. Okay, hold on. New episode, guys. Hold on. We're on episode 4 now. introduce
Episode
it.
4, guys.
Of
I just
what?
wanted to-
Of what?
Henry and Seb's epic pizza show.
Yeah!
I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone for showing support and love through these times, and you know, really helping us love our craft. It means the world to us. Now on this one
Don't dream it's over.
bit of sauce.
Nope. Guys, we really dream it. That's it. It's outside.
Like, this couldn't just hit the cameraman, little fucking goblin.
Then we go in with quite a lot of cheese on this.
Come on, do it.
Then we're gonna go with a little bit of garlic oil.
Got what? Say again.
Garlic oil.
No.
Lovely fresh mozzarella. Now,
Oh, go on.
this is straight from the teat
Go
of
on.
buffalo.
Oh!
Look at that, fresh.
Oh, look at the game.
I'll just place it roughly on the pizza. Because that's what pizza's about. It's about love, and it's not about accuracy. Wonderful. Now we're gonna add some prawns on. These are cold water prawns from the reservoir. Caught sustainably, of course.
As we always do on this show.
And we're just gonna kind of, oh fuck this thing. It's like that Club Penguin game, guys. I'm pretty sure that's all she wants. However, I'm not sure.
Put some pepper.
We're gonna add some peppers, some green. A little bit of yellow.
A bit of wings. Oh, what?
It's just a meaty one to it.
Oh, God.
Do you want me to film?
And Billy, get out of. Now we're gonna put it back in the oven. No, I think your piece is about done.
Best one.
It's quite doughy, but we'll let it cook a little bit longer. That's episode 4, signing off. Welcome back, guys, to Henry's, and unfortunately not Seb, cooking show. We're going to be still making some pizzas on this episode 5. And in this episode we're going to be making amazing pizza. Now, it's quite an eclectic taste, but I think we can manage it today. Special shout out to Molly on the camera. Thanks for stepping in for Seb, appreciate it. Now, we've got a couple pizzas in already, so obviously we can't make it just yet, but we're going to show you the cooking pizzas. One of them of which is Molly's, so give away Molly. Yeah, it's all quite good. Come on, put that in. Got some lovely pizzas going. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Now, on this show we've mainly covered the cooking, but we're going to cover a little bit of customer feedback today. So we're going to take you over to Ruth, one of our celebrity guests, who is enjoying their pizza, hopefully enjoying. So Ruth, do you have any things to say about the pizza?
It's a bit thick.
A bit thick. Now, obviously, constructive criticism is always taken into account on our channel. So we're going to try and thin out the dough a little bit more, because I think that would really improve our cooking technique. That's all for episode 5. Just a quick check-in episode. And again, thank you for 1 million subscribers. It means the world to me, honestly. Seb, I'm sure he'd say the same if he was here, but he's off on important matters. So, thank you. Goodbye. I think this is the best one, yeah.
Is it really hot, Ruth?
Yeah. Not really. How was that one so good?
Thanks. This might be the best one yet, guys. Oh yeah, by the way, small hiatus. I'm back. To no demand, I have reserved to all the.
I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships rolling in. Then I'll watch them roll away again.
It's hard work being a master chef, isn't it? Guys, by the way, you might be asking, where's all the... Seb's done no work. It's all off camera, guys. So, don't worry about it.
It's like those Minecraft videos where they get like full diamond gear.
Yeah,
That's
see... Yeah, exactly.
Pizza version.
Got assistant chef here. Hi guys, we're just wrapping up the show now. Don't know what episode this is at this point. As you can see, in a delicious slice made by Seb and Henry, aka Seb and Henry Cooking Show. What else? The kitchen assistant is there, washing up. Oh, look at the steam. Washing up, cleaning up the countertop. Overall, it's been a great success. And you can take me to have a statement.
Hi guys. We're getting the next.
Is that it?
Guys, I just wanted to say a huge thank you, because My love for cooking transcends just a hobby. It transcends a career, in fact. And I'm so thankful to every single one of you at home viewing and making it possible for me to carry this on. We've got the last pizza in the oven, and that sadly does mean the last episode of the show.
Maybe we'll come back someday. Maybe we'll do something more than pizzas.
I just wanted to say this man right here has been the best co-host
Pancakes
possible.
tomorrow morning.
And I'd like to say that Henry has been the other best co-host, and you guys might not know, he kind of pulls his weight here. He does all the work. I just what can I say? I just provide the
He's
shot.
a humble guy, but to be honest, without him the show wouldn't be possible. So thank you again. So.
And maybe stay tuned because you might be seeing more of us.
Last
in the
pizza.
future.
Wait first. Last pizza. Look at that.
Go into it.